Hey guys, it's Mara and welcome back to My Art Break Life. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to the new year and you're setting your goals or resolutions for 2022. I have a good feeling that it's gonna be a good year. I mean, 2020 kind of sucked. 2021 was a little better, but it still kind of sucked. So I'm thinking 2022 is gonna be great. I think so. And I'm going to keep thinking positive. I'm going to think that it's going to be wonderful. I'm not one to set New Year's resolutions myself, but I do set goals for myself. And this year, my goal is to grow this channel. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button and also liking my videos if you do like them, and also commenting and let me know what you think. And that would be great. The engagement, the support is really appreciated. And that's what my goal is this year, is to grow this channel and hopefully to keep posting videos more consistently and just to keep having fun on my little evening art breaks. Now, every New Year's, I used to do a lot of Fukubukuro shopping, which I said in my last video, and I hadn't done it in a while because there wasn't really anything or any stores that was really catching my eye or something I really wanted. And art supplies are my weakness. They've always been my weakness. I also ordered on a whim from Notebook Therapy. It's a great website for stationery items, journals, things like that. They ship out of China, so you have to realize that you're ordering something from China, and the shipping's free, which is great, but you have to weigh the cost, which is the time it takes to get to you. So typically, I notice it takes about a month-ish to come to me. And it seems that way for a lot of people. And so they had an email that went out and they said, oh, they had a lucky box. And I didn't realize it was their Fukubukuro bag. I ordered it and it came today. So it says 2022 special edition Fukubukuro. So I'm going to be opening this up with you. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't looked at anything on Instagram or YouTube. So we shall open this together right now. So here's the box, the Lucky Charm Fukubukuro 2022 Special Edition Notebook Therapy blind box. So we'll just open this up here. I love this box, it's so cute. And I love the color too. Pink is my jam. So on the top of the box, it says, Arigato, sending love, wishes, and all the good luck to you. Super cute, very detailed here. And there's a cute little canvas bag and it's embroidered here with their designs. Oh, it's so cute. So we'll pull this out of the box. Okay, so here's the bag inside the box. So we'll just open this up real quick and I'll turn it around. Try not to look. Okay, so I'll pull it out here without looking. Oh, there's a little drawstring bag in here. That's so cute. Okay, so in here, oh, we have some washi tape. Okay. Oh, these are so pretty. It's that same maroon color, and it just has Japanese, you know, like little New Year's good, the mochi and the sake, the daruma. And oh, so cute. I'm gonna open that up and swatch that later. And then we have a 3-pack of some washi, which is the same maroon color with gold leafing on it. So there's 4 washis in this little pouch here. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is it's a stencil ruler. Okay, let's pull this open here. Oh, wow. So it's a gold color stencil ruler. Very nice. It's metal and thin. It's not too thin and the edges aren't so sharp where it's too, like it can cut you, but it is not totally rounded out. But look, you have your curved edge here, and then you have some stencils here. This is really cute and useful. Oh, that's so pretty. I like the gold color. Okay, and so now I see here, there is an A5 size journal. It says Suki Lucky Charm Journal. Ooh, shall we open this? Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see now. Oh, that's really pretty. I love this color. And it's a canvas material. Oh wow, there's stickers inside. Okay, so, oh, this is really nice. It's a canvas material. It looks like rose gold on the outside and on the bind here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, and it also has, like, they always have these little paper clips that come inside their books. So this is like a moon with a sakura. Oh, that's so cute, in rose gold. We'll stick this back in the pocket. Oh, and the edge too is rose gold color. Oh, that's really pretty, and it has the moon and the flowers. Oh, I like this color, super nice. And in here, it came with more washi stickers. So let's just open this up. Oh, that is so pretty. You can make nice spreads out of these. Look at that. Oh, I love this color scheme. And these washi stickers are super thin, so they can go in planners really easily and it doesn't get bulky. That is really pretty. Look at all those stickers. And that's a lot of stickers. Oh, that one's so cute. It has a kitty on it with the lucky bamboo and then the nishime. Oh, so cute. Love these. Okay. All right, so this is what came in the journal box. Now let's see what else. There's still more in here, which is really cool. Okay, let's pull this out. Oh, it's a pencil case. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay, let's get this out. Oh, that is so pretty. So this is the kind of pencil case where you can load it up, and then when you want to use it, you just push it down and your pens and pencils all pop up inside of it. So wow, I love this pink, mauvey pink corduroy material. Oh, that's so pretty. I like this pencil case. This is really nice. Let's see what else is in here. Arigato, it says. Okay, let's see what's inside this little pouch here. A little kitty, I think. I think this is a journaling card. It says, Arigato, Happy New Year. Thank you so much for your support. There's a 15% off code for your next order. Lucky 2022. Well, if you guys want to use a promo code, here you go. Lucky 2022. It says, check the pocket in your tote for an extra little surprise. Oh, let's see what they have here. Okay, oh wait, there's something else in here. Oh, there's stamps. Oh wow, this box had a lot of good stuff in it. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so this says Suki Lucky Charm stamps. Oh, look how cute these are. This is the moon, and they have a little Mount Fuji. These are super cute, the lucky cat. Aw, these are really nice stamps here, and it's just your basic pink rubber stamp. Very cute. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. Actually, we'll leave it out so we can see it. All right, so that is it that's loose in the bag. Now we're gonna check the pocket like the little note said. Let's see. Oh, there's a little keychain. Oh, the little lucky cat. Oh, that's an enamel keychain. That is super cute. Wow, this was a nice lucky bag. There's a lot of nice things that came in this bag. Look at him, he's so cute. Wow. Okay, let's gather up to see what we have here. Now I decided to jump in and start working on this journal spread and start using all the items that came with this Fukubukuro bag. And I really liked the colors, the maroons and the golds just really popped. And so, of course, being a New Year's themed box, I wanted to talk about some of my New Year's goals and wishes for 2022. Now, I've done this in other spreads as well. I want to try and manifest for 2022. So I put at the top New Year's goals for 2022. As I said earlier in the video, my main goal is to grow the channel this year. And I'm hoping that by posting more regularly, I will grow steadily through 2022 and gain more YouTube friends to join and subscribe on my journey for my evening art breaks. And I was also reminiscing about how rough it was for everyone. And I'm just hoping for 2022, things start to clear up and become more normal again, if you can call it normal or the new normal. And now that I have this new office for myself, I have time to do my own things and have a little bit of privacy to do my art and to practice my music and to just do things that fill my cup. And now on the right side of this spread, I put, I have a positive feeling about 2022. I feel like 2022 is going to be a good year for everybody because we're kind of used to what's been going on. So I think more people will be able to pivot and are a lot stronger because of what happened in the previous years. I also wanted to talk about my hopes for the near future because I do believe in manifesting or believing things will happen. And so I wrote down a bunch of things that I hope will happen in the near future. Maybe not 2022, maybe 2023. But some of the things I wrote down were like, that Corona, COVID, Omicron becomes less scary and stops affecting businesses, because when businesses are affected, then families get affected. And also I'm trying to manifest really hard. Things become more stabilized. I'm really hoping Japan opens up again because I really want to go back to Japan before my sister has to come back to the US. Looking back on our trip in 2019 that happened right before COVID, all started kicking off. It was the best vacation my family has ever taken, and I really want to do that again, at least while she's still there, and just have another absolutely amazing time with my nieces and also my sister and her husband. And also, I hope for everyone to stay safe, happy, and most important, healthy. I don't want anybody in my family to get COVID or Omicron or whatever it is. And because it's so contagious, it just, even if you don't have it, you can't see your friends and family. And I want things to go back to a little bit more normal because I miss how things used to be before COVID happened. And I understand why we need to do what we do now, but I'm just hoping that everybody stays healthy and happy and that we can once again gather and hug each other and spend time together. And this is the spread I did using the Notebook Therapy Lucky Bag items. And if you want to see another video from me, click here. And with that, this art break is done. Bye guys!